Hi everyone, welcome to Taste Buds, and today's recipe is a perfect mutton pepper fry. For this we have about 500 grams of mutton or lamb, 2 medium-sized onions cut in julienne like this. Just make it thin. Okay, let's marinate the mutton. First we'll add salt and ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. Chilli powder 1 teaspoon, Garam Masala 1 teaspoon. You can mix it well. If you want, you can add curd. Curd will make the meat softer. Let's rest it for 1 hour. Let's transfer the contents into a pressure pan. So we're going to let it cook in pressure pan. Add half cup of water. Don't add more than that because that's what we require for a dry recipe. Let it cook for 4 whistles and we are done. So just keep it aside in a heated pan. Let's add oil, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add about 3 to 4 cloves, a cinnamon stick and a bay leaf. Just stir it well. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, just takes about 10 seconds for it to get fried. Then we'll go about adding the cut onions. So the magic of this recipe is to have these onions fried until they are golden brown, literally. So it's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes for this process to end. So we are looking to get this onion in a golden brown color. Keep stirring it, we don't want it to get burnt. So after about 5-10 minutes, this is how it looks. This is the time we'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. We have already added it in the mutton, so we'll just add 1 teaspoon. Mix it well, it will fry along with the onions. So as you can see, it is slowly turning golden brown. This will add up to the taste of the mutton recipe. So the onions are properly done. Let's add a little bit of curry leaves. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Just keep sauteing it. As you can see, the onions are fried really well. That will make the mutton delicious. So we'll add the mutton or lamb that we have cooked and kept. We'll also add the stock to it. So we just have to reduce the flame to medium after we add the mutton. So we have to cook it, and we'll add the pepper powder, about 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. So in medium flame we are looking to cook it and make it a dry recipe. As you can see, it keeps getting dry. After some time you can notice that the oil gets oozed out. So we are almost done with the recipe. Simmer it for another 5-10 minutes and the oil gets oozed out completely, and we are done with this recipe. So this yummy mutton recipe is ready to be served. Just try it at home. Let us know how it goes. This is a perfect recipe for rice, so do try it. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel. See you soon with another recipe.